Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Drax Hall and we're giving you a tour of the Boot Plaza in Drax Hall. Now, this is one of the first plazas in Drax Hall. It was actually built as the gas station first and then the plaza was built after. And then they expanded it. So in the background that is Polo Field, and then that is Drax Hall Manor behind the Polo Field. Now Drax Hall has grown. It's now the fastest growing area in Jamaica. And coming up to the left, that's the new section of the plaza that they added on. It was actually just opened. And they are actually building another plaza across the road called Boot 2. So they technically call this plaza Boot 1, and then the new plaza will be built across the road called Boot 2. But we'll talk about that in another video. Now this plaza has everything you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, it has a supermarket. Although it's not a brand name supermarket, it still is a large supermarket. And it is the largest supermarket in Drax Hall as of today. The second thing you need is to build a plaza in a populated area. And Drax Hall, as we said, is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. Thousands of homes built and thousands more under construction. So Drax Hall is a populated area. And the third thing you need is food stores. Now this plaza has a Juicy Patties in it. It just recently opened, and to the left of the building is actually the drive-through for the Juicy Patties. And they have other food stores in here as well. So this plaza should do extremely well. And then add to that you have a gas station, and this is the largest gas station in Drax Hall. And you can see how busy this road is. That's the Northern Coastal Highway that we're looking at. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what you think of this plaza. Oh, before we go, to the right of the screen now, that building at the back is actually a call center. The top two floors, it's a 3-story plaza. The ground floor is straight ahead now. The ground floor is the supermarket, and then the other 2 floors operate as a call center. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.